In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game PowerWash Simulator on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses. And nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is open your Google browser, and after that I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, go to the search bar and we need to locate this game first on Steam, and then we can proceed to another website. So go to Steam, after that go to the search bar and we are searching for the game PowerWash Simulator. So select it, scroll a little bit down and there you will find an available free demo for this game on Steam. But we want the full game, so what you need to do is check this one. This one is quite expensive, €24.99, but we got a little workaround for that. What you can do is click on the link in the description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this website. Now the next step is to search the same game again, and if we sort by price lowest first and select games on the left side, then you will find out that there is an available game already for just €14.15. What you need to do is click on the game, and as you can see this game is €14.50 compared to the €24.99. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. And once you have bought this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key or a new Steam account to download this game on Steam. So it is completely legit. Now, securely follow the steps and you will be set up within a couple of minutes to play this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!